Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back again with me, Nida Aulia. So now I want to I'm gonna tell you about what's the difference between problem and issue. So what's the difference between a problem and issue? Even though if we translate it into Indonesian, the meaning of the word is almost the same, namely talking about problems. Do you want to know the difference? Let's take it up. Okay, first I want to tell you about problem. What's the problem? Okay, if we translate it into Indonesian, the problem means a problem. Yes, of course. The problem is the noun. Problem is included in one of the noun forms. Define it a problem, which is define it as a problem. Now, the problem here is a definition of the problem. Based on the Oxford Dictionary, the problem is defining things that are difficult to deal with or understand. So, something that is difficult to accept and also difficult to understand is called a problem. Okay, you get it? So, we can say that this problem is general from a period of problems. This problem in general in English we can say a problem. So how is the example? Okay, let me tell you. The first is every problem has a solution. Another example, I get a big problem yesterday. So, problem in English we can say problem. What kind of problem? General problem. But if the definition in the Oxford Dictionary is a problem that is difficult to accept and also difficult to understand, and that is the definition of a problem. So, there's something else apart from problems too. Usually, we translate it as an issue. What's the difference between it and a problem? But apart from problems, we also usually mention the problem in Indonesian as issue. What's the difference between it and a problem? Okay, in the dictionary, the issue can be in two forms. The first can be a noun, which means a problem or debate, while in the verb it means issuing or publishing something. It is an issue. So based on the Oxford Dictionary, the issue is important topic to be discussed. So it's different from a problem. This issue is more specific. Namely, issues that are often debated by many people and are more actual in nature. That's what's called an issue. But when an issue turns into a verb or as a verb, it can be interpreted as issuing. Example, what is like? Okay, let me tell you issues that are used as nouns or as nouns that mean problems or debates. For example, the first is, it's best to clarify the issue. Well, but if the issue is a verb which means issuing, I can say like this. The company will issue a quality certificate. So it's like that. The issue has two meanings, a problem and it can also mean issuing. Depends on what form it takes. It can be a noun and it can also be a verb. Okay, that's enough explanation that I can tell you about the difference between problems and issues.